Hello everyone, Namaskar. In today's video, I am going to share a list of documents that you will need for your visa interview. But before I start with anything, I want to make this very clear. I am not an expert. I am simply sharing what I have learned from my personal experience. Yes, recently my F1 visa was approved and I'll be heading to the University of Illinois at Chicago next month. So yeah, शुरू करते हैं. First of all, you need to buy a harmonium folder to safely keep all of your documents. You can buy another good folder as well. Keep watching this video till the end. I am going to share a very important tip with you all.
Bye bye, Tata, goodbye, Gaya.
In the first flap, you need to keep your passport, its photocopy, I-20 and a scholarship letter if you have any, DS-160, appointment letter, service fee receipt and visa payment receipt issued by your bank. Second flap, your IELTS and GRE scorecard. In the third flap, keep all your mark sheets, 10th, 12th, undergrad and a provisional degree certificate if you have that. Fourth flap, keep your work experience related documents. This is not important for freshers. In the next flap, keep all the income tax returns, parents, sponsors or of business firm. Sixth flap, balance sheet and computation of income of parents, firm or company for last 3 years and form number 16 I guess if your sponsor is a salaried person. मैंने ये सब नहीं रखा था, to be very honest.
हाय हाय, इतना सुकून.
Next section, this is really important. Statement of saving account or accounts if you have multiple, आप सभी का रखें. Passbook, bank balance certificate, passbook या statement, any one of them, and bank balance certificate you can easily get it from your home branch or maybe like जहाँ आपका account है. In the 8th flap, you need to keep receipts of your fixed deposits या फिर कोई भी any other kind of deposits you have, so you just need to keep receipts of all of them. Next flap, LIC surrender value quotation, mutual fund quotation, visit nearby branch to get these. In the 10th or I guess 11th flap, keep acceptance and rejection letters of all the universities you applied to. Like I got rejected from University of Chicago and University of Maryland College Park, so मैंने उनके रखे थे, and offer letters of other 4 universities. Let's end this. Lastly, you need to keep this financial statement summary. Here you will mention your saving bank balance, fixed deposit receipt, education loan, all of your funds, LICs and everything, all the liquid assets. So I can make a separate video on this. I'll think about it.
यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
आपने यहाँ तक वीडियो देखी है या फिर शायद आप स्किप करके लास्ट में आ गए हैं सिर्फ इम्पोर्टेंट टिप्स सुनने, तो वो सुन लीजिए क्योंकि मैंने वादा किया था. तो मैं अपने इंटरव्यू में ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपने साथ लेके गई थी, ये हारमोनियम फोल्डर अपने साथ लेके गई थी, पर सिर्फ सर्विस फी रिसीट, I-20 और पासपोर्ट या अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर एज वेल. इन 4 डॉक्यूमेंट्स के अलावा कुछ भी मुझे काम नहीं आया था उस दिन.
क्या बोला तूने?
वी कैन नॉट प्रिडिक्ट एनीथिंग. वो हो सकता है आपसे आपका कोई डॉक्यूमेंट मांग ले, मे बी योर बैंक बैलेंस सर्टिफिकेट और योर स्टेटमेंट और लाइक एनीथिंग. सो फॉर सेफ्टी रीजंस हम ये लेके जाते हैं. अगेन आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल कंसल्टेंट और एन एक्सपर्ट. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग दिस टू हेल्प यू गाइज एंड दिस इज़ अ सेट ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स. हो सकता है कि आपको पता चले और भी कुछ रिक्वायर्ड है. लाइक ये ऐसा फिक्स नहीं है कि सिर्फ यही चाहिए, हो सकता है देयर आर सम मोर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, पर अगेन सिर्फ 4 डॉक्यूमेंट्स मुझे काम आए थे, पर ये सब ले जाना इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. इट इज़ recommended to keep all of these documents with you. Okay, all the very best for your interview. 4 क्या. Bye bye.